On January 15, 2023, the Chinese New Year is approaching, and there are lights and festoons everywhere, full of joy and a festive atmosphere everywhere. The factory ushered in a good start in 2023. The first direct cooling block ice machine will be off the assembly line and leave the factory ready to go to the customer's factory in a mighty way. Capacity 50 T per day. Production frequency twice a day. Ice weight 50 kg block. Compressor HANBELL screw compressor R20 to refrigerant evaporative condenser. The ultra-large direct cooling block ice machine is a superior product of our factory, regardless of the application of new technology or the stability of the machine. It is in the forefront of the global direct cooling technology. In the Chinese market, we are also favored by a large number of professional customers. Other factories are basically on holiday, but our factory is still very busy, working overtime to catch up with the schedule and improve the progress. In our hearts, customers always come first in order to guarantee the customer's delivery date and deliver the goods on time, even if we pay 3 times the workers' wages and 3 times the transportation cost during the holidays. We will not hesitate. 2023 is a good sign. China's epidemic control has been fully liberalized, and the market is fully recovering. In the week before the Spring Festival, we released 2 large direct cooling block ice machines.